Intermediate switch. Answer A. Isolator vidyut. Answer B. Join wire. Answer C. Lamp in parallel. Answer B. Lamp in series. Answer D. Lighting arrestor. Answer D. Ohm meter. Answer B. Oil circuit breaker. Answer D. Phase indicator. Answer A. Potential transformer. Answer D. Power factor meter. Answer C. Push button closed circuit. Answer B. Push button switch. Answer D. Diode. Answer C. Single pole switch. Answer A. Star election. Answer B. Schemoscope meter. Answer B. 3 conductor. Answer C. 3 phase. Answer C. 3 pin wall socket. Answer A. 3 plate ceiling rose. Answer B. 3 pole switch. Answer A. Transformer. Answer C. 2 plate ceiling rose. Answer B. 2-way switch. Answer C. 2 winding. Answer B. Variable resistance. Answer C.